One more. One more.
Who is he shooting at?
I killed the guy he was shooting at. He's at this buildings up here. There's a guy. Unless the other guy killed him. I don't know. He's dead. I think they're all dead. There's another crate right here. There's a body right where you are that I killed, and he was fighting this guy, I think.
No, that guy was fighting down the hill. He wasn't fighting this guy where I'm at.
There's a guy right here where I'm at.
Oh. Alright, sorry.
I think he was fighting this guy. Because I killed this guy right here. And that guy up there. I just killed 2 guys here.
I fucking need a vest.
This guy does not have one.
How about this vest?
I don't know.
Oh, level 3. Level 3 helmet here. It's a little not must busted up, but a little bit right here.
Well, that's worth.
Oh yeah, it's definitely like a bunch of shots. So cool. We got back edge of the circle.
Shit, I forgot to look for an extended mag.
I'm boosting again to make sure I'm full boosted for this fight. Careful, you're kind of exposed. Like really exposed right there, Rick.
Oh yeah, I just had to fix shit. Okay. Knocked him.
He's on the hill at 175. He saw me. I don't think he see you.
Oh shit, back by you somewhere? Oh shit, 2 guys back by you. That's not him, that's not him. Dead. Back this way. There's still a guy over here somewhere, so.
Yep, I know. I'm trying to find a vest. Alright, fuck it. I'm trying. Yeah, I killed his teammate. I don't know where the last guy. That guy's over there. There's still other people. You had to go down the hill, Rick. Don't overpress this. Don't overpress this.
Yep.
I can't help you right now. And there's still 2 somewhere else.
There's no vests anywhere.
I'm boosting again.
I need to boost too.
Get in that hut. Get inside the shit sack.
I'm good where I am. You want to do left side here?
I'm just kind of clearing down.
Yeah, coming your way. Where the fuck? Gotta be down here somewhere.
Gotta be. Yeah, well, look for snakes. We got good angles to find snakes. Do you have any smokes or anything?
Yeah. No, I'm out of everything. Throwable.
Hmm.
Oh, these guys are so fucking bitchy.
Right. Oh god, get the guy up higher on the hill.
Reloading.
All right, nice. One left somewhere, Rick. Can you get to me on this tree? I'll live. He's got to be down at 215-ish. Get up high. Ooh.
I think this is our best angle.
I have a full kit. Let me get this off. All right, I'm gonna go to this rock. Check bushes. Is he laying down in this bush right here?
He's probably laying down over here on the right, behind a tree or something.
Yeah, that tree. Nice.
Dude, this Scar is a monster.
I fucking laid down and put a bullet into his fucking shoulder right past you. Like, oh, that was nice. 5 kills, 100 damage.